Do these things every morning. The first few hours of each morning are some of the most important hours the day has to offer. It is these hours that will set the tone for the rest of the day, which might be why some of the world's most accomplished men and women tout their morning routine as being key to their success. Get some natural sunlight first thing in the morning. Would you believe that there's something totally free you can do each day to boost your happiness hormones and energy levels? Get sunlight. Natural sunlight, that is. Our bodies and hormones get a lot of information from the light that we're surrounded with, and that's why it's important to spend a little bit of time, anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, in natural sunlight, without sunglasses, within about 30 minutes to an hour of waking up. This time in the sunlight will signal to your brain to release serotonin, which is a feel-good hormone that also makes you calm and focused. In addition to that, starting your day with some natural sunlight and vitamin D can actually help you sleep better at night, because it resets your circadian rhythm to follow the natural pattern of light and dark, so your body will be ready to power down in the evening time. During the nighttime while you are sleeping, your body is going through a ton of processes, and it also isn't taking in any liquid. That means, when you wake up, you are technically dehydrated and in need of fluid intake. In addition to that, when you drink water first thing in the morning, it actually helps to flush all of the toxins through your system that were accumulating overnight. Try keeping a bottle of water next to the bed each night, then you can down those 16 to 32 ounces as soon as you wake up. Quick tip, room temperature water is actually a lot easier to drink than cold water, so it's better if it sits out all night. From that initial drink, you'll get a boost of energy from the hydration, your brain will feel more focused as it's mostly made up of water and always needs fluids to function, and you'll also feel full, so you don't have to run to the kitchen for breakfast right away. Hydrating throughout the day is important for everyone. It's very common to wake up and immediately check our phones for emails, messages, and other incoming requests from other people, thus setting us off in a reactive mode. Yet, focusing on other people's issues can fill us with stress and worry, and this isn't the best way to begin a day. That's why, it's beneficial to take anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes in the morning to sit quietly and be alone with your thoughts before consuming any technology or social media. If you're not comfortable sitting alone in silence, you can also try out a guided meditation app like Calm or Headspace, and let the narrator tell you what to do. Meditation has been shown to reduce anxiety and stress, enhance self-awareness, improve attention span, as well as a host of other perks. And one thing it definitely does is make sure that you go into the day with a more mindful approach. While it may seem like meditation is a fluffy practice just for those who teach yoga, it's growing in popularity in the mainstream as more and more people understand its powerful benefits for daily life. As we care about you and your health, we have added a lot of things which will help you to a lot. Link is in the description. Check it out.